Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Student, we are doing chapter 13. Chapter name is Ways to Multiply and Divide. In my last video, I already completed till this chapter question number 8. So today I am going to start and explain you question number 9. Solve the following. Page number 182. You can see here is given some questions that we have to solve and give the answer. So see the first one. 174 workers are working in a factory. How many workers? 174 workers are working in a factory. Each workers get rupees 567 as bonus, and they each workers are get 565 rupees as bonus. Then what amount would be needed to distribute bonus to all workers? So what amount we need to distribute all the workers? How many workers? 174 workers. So first we have to write number of workers. Number of workers are factory. So here you have to write number of workers 174. And workers, how many? How much they get? Rupees. Bonus of worker is rupees 567. This is the price. This is the bonus of a worker. So each workers. So what we have to do? We have to do the multiply. So 567 multiply with 174. Multiply with the different way that we are following. We have to follow 100 plus 70 plus 4. So first 100 multiply with 567 first line, then 100 multiply with 70, then then 567 multiply with 70, 567 multiply with 4. This we have to do. So 567 multiply with 100, here 56,700. 567 multiply with 70, 39,690. 567 multiply with 4, 2,268. Add all this, you will get this much. So therefore we need rupees 98,658 to distribute bonus to all workers. Here I don't have space, so here directly I write the answer. So we need how many rupees? 98,658 rupees to distribute the bonus to all workers. सारे workers को हम लोग को distribute करने के लिए इतना 98,658 rupees we want to give them bonus. Now see the question number 2. The length of a square garden is 20 meter. Here is the length of the square garden. This you have to notice, this garden is in a square shape. And this is the length of 20 meters. So breadth also same, because square have the 4 equal part. Dinesh Bhai complete the work of spreading the soil in the garden at the cost of rupees 100 per square meter. So Dinesh Bhai, he is a worker. He is doing work. So spreading the soil in the garden. Garden में इस soil जो है spread करवानो काम करे Dinesh Bhai. So garden at the cost, they are spreading the soil and they are taking the cost is rupees 100 per square meter. What amount will he get? Now what amount will he get, that we have to find out. So first we have to write square garden. Square garden length is 20 meter. Area is equal to length multiply with breadth. So we want the square garden area. Then after we understand, so how many soil, how many meter this Dinesh Bhai is spreading the soil. So area, first we have to find out the area. Length multiply with breadth. This is the formula of area. 20 multiply, because 20 meter is a length according to your question. And this is a square garden. Square garden है, इसलिए 20 length हो गए तो breadth भी 20 centimeter. तो 20 meter and 20 meter multiply. So 400 meter. Okay. Now this is, we found the area of a square garden. Spreading the soil in the garden cost rupees 100 per square meter. So 400 multiply with 100. Here we have to do. So 400 multiply with 100 with that method. So directly if you multiply, you will get 400 multiply with 100, 40,000. Therefore दिनेश भाई गॉट 40,000 रुपीज टू कंप्लीट द वर्क. दिनेश भाई को कितने मिलेंगे? 40,000 रुपीज मिलेंगे पूरा वर्क कंप्लीट करने के लिए, बिकॉज एरिया जो है स्क्वायर गार्डन का वो है 400 मीटर और पर मीटर दिनेश भाई इज टेकिंग 100 रुपीज. So multiply this and you will get 40,000 rupees. Now see the third number. Now third number is here. A fruit seller has 1944 oranges. He's a fruit seller. You have oranges 1944. Each box carried 9 oranges and each box is carrying 9 oranges only. How many box can be filled by the all oranges? So what we have to do? First we have to write number of oranges. Total number of oranges is 1944. One box carry 9 orange. 9 oranges. So what we have to do the divide. 9 divide with 1944. So 9, this is also we have to follow the different method what we learned in this chapter. इस चैप्टर में हमने कौन सा मेथड लर्न किया है उसी मेथड से हम डिवाइड करेंगे. अगर आप सिंपल मेथड करोगे तो भी आंसर यही आएगा, बट वी हैव टू फॉलो द डिफरेंट मेथड बिकॉज वी लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर. सो 9 divide with 200. 1800. 9 divide with 200. We will get 9 multiply with 200. We will get 1800. Okay. 1800. Then subtract it. Otherwise 9 2s are 18. Okay. And this is the other two numbers. So put the 0 directly. You will get. Okay. This is also method you can continue. 1800. So must subtract it. 144 you will get. Then after 9 tens are 90. 9 tens are, we want round figure. So 9 tens are 90. 90 then we will get 54. 54 then after I don't have space. यहाँ space इधर में space नहीं है इसलिए मैंने यहाँ लिखा है. If you have a space you can write. Okay. So 54 then after here you will have to write 54. Then 9 6 are 54. Then 0 reminder. So total amount is 200 plus 10 plus 6. Therefore 216 boxes filled by all oranges. 216 boxes we want to fill this much oranges. 1944 orange को हम लोग को fill करने के लिए कितना boxes चाहिए? 216 boxes. Now see the fourth number. Fourth number is here. There are 108 members in a relief community. Relief community पे एक 108 members are there. Each members donate rupees 75 and each members are donate this much of members are donate rupees 75. If the collected amount is distributed among 36 poor person, then after इतने मेंबर्स है सबने एक मेंबर्स ने 75 रुपीज डोनेट किया तो टोटल अमाउंट जो है वो उसको हम लोग को डोनेट करना है कितने में 36 पुअर पर्सन में डोनेट करवाना है इक्वली and equally we have to donate. Then what amount will each person get? Then after what amount the each person will get? सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने क्या करना है कि जितने मेंबर्स ने जितना डोनेट किया है तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ अमाउंट इन दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स इज 108. members donate, each members donate 75 rupees, that we have to write. Then multiply to both. 108 multiply with 75, 70 plus 5. Then after 108 multiply with 70, first line 7560. 108 multiply with 5, here 540. Add this two, you will get 8100 total collected amount. So total this much amount they have and they have want to donate. How many person? 36 poor person. Number of poor person is 36. Collected amount is 8100 that we got here. Then do the divide here. 36 divide with 8100. 36, this is the simple method. First we follow this method. Now here we are following the simple method. दोनों method में मैंने आपको solve करके बता दिया है. तो 36 2s are 72. Subtract it with 81. You will get 9. 0 will come here. 36 2s are 72. So you will get to 18 and again the last 0 will come down. 187 36 5s are 180. So you will get the 0 remainder and therefore rupees 225 amount got each person. So rupees 225 सब एक एक पुअर पर्सन को मिलेंगे टोटल अमाउंट से. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. पेज नंबर 183, your workbook. Total 3,125 children participated in Children's Day program. If 25 children for each school participated in the program, then how many schools participated in the program in all? Total children participate in Children's Day 3,125. Each school, एक स्कूल में से कितने स्टूडेंट आए हैं 25. तो हाउ मेनी स्कूल इज पार्टिसिपेटेड, कितने स्कूल ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है वो हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करवाना है. नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन 3,125. नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम ईच स्कूल, एक स्कूल में से कितने चिल्ड्रन आए 25. देयरफॉर here you have to do the division because here is no space, यहाँ स्पेस नहीं है इसलिए मैंने डिवीजन यहाँ किया है. so 25 divide with 3,125. 25, this is a simple method I follow. 25 ones are 25. So then 6 will come and 2 will come here, 62. 25 twos are 50. Okay, so 12 will come down and 5 इधर आ जाएगा. Next 125 हो गया. So 25 5s are 125, zero reminder. So what we will get 125. So therefore 125 school participated in the program. कितने स्कूल ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है 125 स्कूल ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है प्रोग्राम में. 6 नंबर 81 marbles can be kept in a bag. एक बैग में कितना मार्बल्स आते हैं 81. हाउ मेनी बैग्स विल बी नीडेड फॉर 8,252 मार्बल्स. तो 8,252 मार्बल्स को रखने के लिए हम लोग को कितने बैग्स चाहिए. हाउ मेनी मार्बल्स विल बी लेफ्ट, और उसको फिल करने के बाद हम लोग को कितना मार्बल्स लेफ्ट होते हैं. सो नंबर ऑफ मार्बल्स दैट केप्ट इन अ वन बैग. ओके, तो एक बैग में जितना केप्ट होते हैं उतने का मार्बल्स. तो 81. देयर इज सो दिस मच इज टू लॉन्ग. So I wrote here in simple sentence number of marbles. Numbers of total marbles. Number of total marbles is 8,252. So here is, then after here is no space, so I do here. So 81 divide with 8,252. 81 ones are. Otherwise you can direct write the tens are. So I do the direct tens are because these are 3 numbers I got. So 81 tens are 81 and 0, 810 tens are. Then after you will get 152. 2 will come down and you will get 81 again ones are. 81 ones are. Okay, so 71 is left. 71 is less than this. 81 से less है तो divide अब नहीं होगा. Otherwise we want to divide, so we will have to put the decimals, but we want the left marbles. Left marble हम लोग को पता करना है तो रिमाइंडर इसको यहीं रहने देंगे. So here is answer is 101 and then reminder left marble is 71. So here you have to write 101 bags need to kept marbles and 101 बैग हम लोग को चाहिए मार्बल्स को केप्ट करने के लिए, और 71 marbles are left. Then after also 71 marbles left हो जाएंगे. Okay. 7 number is here. A school got rupees 3,452 as donation. एक स्कूल को डोनेशन मिला है 3,452. Distributing this amount equally among 32 children. इस अमाउंट को हम लोग को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है इक्वली 32 चिल्ड्रंस में. What amount will each children get? एक बच्चे को कितना अमाउंट मिलेगा. इतना अमाउंट को हम लोग को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना कितना है 32 चिल्ड्रन में. तो एक बच्चे को कितना अमाउंट मिलेगा एंड हाउ मेनी मनी विल बी लेफ्ट. तो लेफ्ट मतलब रिमाइंडर. डिवाइड करने के बाद जो लेफ्ट रिमाइंडर बचेगा उसको हम लोग को लेफ्ट मनी बोलते हैं. सो स्कूल डोनेशन, स्कूल में कितना डोनेशन मिला है. स्कूल डोनेशन रुपीज 3,452. Number of children is 32. Do the division. So 32 divide with 3,452. 32 tens are 320. So do the subtracted. 25 you will get and then 2 is left. Here will come 32 sevens are. पहले 10 से किए 32 tens are. अब 32 sevens are 224. सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद 28 मिलेगा। अभी हम लोग को इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ देना है बिकॉज दिस रिमाइंडर वी वांट, बिकॉज हियर इज आस्किंग, इस क्वेश्चन में आस्क किया है कि कितने लेफ्ट मनी है, तो 28 इज अ लेफ्ट मनी। सो हियर यू हैव टू राइट रिमाइंडर। देन आफ्टर ईच चिल्ड्रंस गॉट, एक सारे एक एक बच्चे को मिलेंगे, ईच मतलब एक स्टूडेंट को मिलेंगे ₹107। 107 एक एक बच्चे को मिलेंगे, सारे बच्चे को इक्वली अमाउंट। एंड ₹28 इज लेफ्ट फ्रॉम द डोनेशन मनी, एंड डोनेट मनी से, डोनेशन का मनी से हम लोग को ₹28 तभी भी लेफ्ट हो जाएगा, बच जाएगा। ओके, नाउ सी द लास्ट नंबर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. A cooperative society ordered 1961 bags for fertilizer. If a tempo can carry 37 bags in one trip, okay, then how many trips will the tempo have to travel? सो टेम्पो ट्रेवल करते हैं ना, कितना बैग एक ट्रिप में लेते हैं? 37 बैग्स। ऑर्डर कितने बैग्स का है? 1961 बैग का ऑर्डर है। तो टेम्पो को कितना ट्रिप मारना पड़ेगा? जो एक बार टेम्पो जाने में 37 बैग्स कैरी करते हैं, तो इतने बैग्स लाने के लिए टेम्पो को कितने राउंड मारने पड़ेंगे? टोटल नंबर ऑफ बैग इज 1961। वन ट्रिप टेम्पो कैरी, एक ट्रिप में टेम्पो ने कैरी किया है 37 बैग्स। डिवाइडेड 37 divided with 1961. 37 5s are 185. Okay, subtract it, 11 you will get, and one number will come here. So 111. 37 3s are 111. Zero reminder. 53 is your answer. So here, therefore, the tempo have to travel